discover the flavors, exploring traditional dishes. Hello and welcome to our journey into the world of cuisine. Today, we're going to unravel the flavors and stories behind traditional dishes. These are not just recipes, but a gateway to understanding cultures and histories. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together. A traditional dish often stands as a symbol of cultural identity and heritage. It is a meal that has been passed down from generation to generation within a family or community. These dishes are deeply rooted in history, embodying the ingredients, cooking methods, and flavors that are native to a particular region or country. The soul of a traditional dish lies in its ingredients. Often locally sourced, these ingredients are not just about flavor but also about sustaining the community's agricultural practices. They tell the story of the land, climate, and the relationship people have with their environment. Traditional dishes are not just about what is cooked, but how it's cooked. From slow roasting over an open flame to fermenting in earthen pots, the techniques used are often centuries old. These methods are preserved and cherished, as they carry the essence of the culture and its people. Every traditional dish has a story. It might be a dish that's prepared for a special festival, a family gathering, or a meal that has historical significance. These dishes are a means of preserving and sharing culture, connecting the past with the present, and bringing communities together. As we wrap up our journey into the world of traditional dishes, remember that each dish you encounter carries the whispers of history and the spirit of a community. It's a window into the soul of a culture. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful exploration and are inspired to discover and savor these culinary treasures. Until next time, happy eating and exploring.